Well, cases of pertussis, commonly known as whooping cough, continue to rise in Texas. The health department has reported over 3,500 cases across the state. There are nearly 4 times the amount of infected people compared to last year. 85% of those are children.
We see years of high pertussis cycles, but this is definitely one of those years with more pertussis cases.
It may start just as a normal cough, but the key thing is that it causes these episodes where the child is just going to start coughing and not be able to stop.
And there are several reasons that may explain the rise, according to Texas doctor Leilani Valdez, the spokesperson for the College of American Pathologists.
We are seeing the rise in these cases as a direct result of the lower vaccination rates in our communities, not just in Texas, but across the country.
Over 6.5% of 7th graders and over 7% of kindergartners in Texas are unvaccinated against pertussis. That's according to data from the Texas Health Department. Infants are the most vulnerable to whooping cough and who cannot receive the vaccination as newborns. Experts recommend pregnant women get the booster to pass on immunity.